Lifeway Foods manufactures dairy and non-dairy health products. Their main product is the kefir smoothie. I'm here at the ICR Exchange Conference with CEO Julie Smolansky. Your product is on fire. So who is buying this and what's driving these great sales?
People who are trying to be healthy, they want to live longer, they want to have a better quality of life. So pretty much everyone is buying our product. It's not a surprise that it's becoming widely known that how we eat impacts our health. That's visible everywhere from the streets of New York to the whole country, really, in the world, realizing that how you eat has an impact on your health.
Is a smoothie a great way to eat yogurt on the go? Is that the attraction?
Sure, well, it's super convenient. I mean, you don't need a spoon, you can just take it. It's already pre-mixed for you. There's just a little bit of sugar to make it, taste good. But you can certainly buy our plain product and add honey or some other, agave syrup or whatever kind of sweetener you're interested in, or just fresh fruit. And so probiotics are really the key here. Probiotics the awareness of the benefit of probiotics are really growing in our country. We could see that in the last 10 years, awareness of probiotics has gone from 9% to over 60% of people know that probiotics are important. The gut health, the good bacteria that cultured dairy products like kefir provide is a great way to get the probiotics. And so as awareness rises, of course, sales in turn rise as well. But we've launched a number of new products that are extremely exciting, from our frozen kefir, which is sort of like if you think of the tart and tangy yogurt alternative that's visible at, let's say, Pinkberry or Red Mango. We've created a product like that for grocery store freezers that you can buy and have at home. And so that's become the second frozen yogurt in the market in less than a year. So that's how successful that product line has been.
Milk prices, how is that going to affect you in 2013? Are you going to be concerned by the price of milk?
We really think that it's pretty stable now. That actually the Farm Bill was passed, or they agreed on that. So that's thankfully not going to really impact us. I don't think we're going to see a big surge in milk prices like we have in other years. But also because we are the category leader in this, and there's really no competition for us in the kefir space, we do have some price elasticity. So we obviously raise prices in accordance with milk prices, or we have price elasticity, really.
And what about the healthcare mandate? Is that affecting your company as well?
Not really, and I actually think it's going to help us at the end of the day, because more people will have access to preventative care as well, and so they'll be able to go to their doctors and healthcare practitioners and actually get prevention tips. One of the best ways to prevent some of the gastrointestinal diseases that we see, or gastrointestinal issues, let's say, is by consuming probiotics and having a really healthy gut flora, balance. And so with more people going to see healthcare practitioners and getting that kind of advice and nutritional advice, we actually think it's going to help our products.
Your company is growing fast. What is going to be your biggest challenge to manage this fast growth at your company?
Just keeping up with demand. We're definitely looking at our capacity and making sure that we're going to be able to supply enough product for the needs of our consumers. But we really think that healthy foods, healthy lifestyle is really just getting going. Even though we've been doing this for 26 years now, I think we haven't even scratched the surface. And I think you could see it from the big food manufacturers. They're really kind of scared right now because they are not able to create these products with integrity, with ingredients that we have, and able to source the ingredients that we can at the quantities that they need, and we're able to do that. So it's a really interesting time. Cultured dairy products, really hot. Probiotics are, more and more research every day comes out on the benefits of probiotics, and we see it with this flu outbreak. People really want to have a strong immune system. No one wants to get sick. So this is one of those products that can really help our life daily, just from consuming good nutrition.